The Cultural Unity Week Festival kicked off with a wobble as students enjoy outdoor music, games, and activities at Founders Garden. Collaborating with the Office of Institutional Diversity, student organizations set up tables to reflect on marked cultural and ethnic identities.
I want to just highlight Black people. I also want to highlight other minorities and people of color who might be disenfranchised or marginalized and don't have the same opportunities that we have to attend higher education, even though it's right in the heart of their community.
TU Ukrainian Society. Not a lot of people knew about it, but I've had so many people come up to me today and sign up to be on the list because they're so interested in learning about the culture.
It allows students to show up as their authentic selves and celebrate culture, identity, but also how to, create change and such too. So,
Junior Sydney Zhang uses the festival as a platform to voice her opinion against the construction of a Sixers arena in Philly's Chinatown.
A whole community is going to be lost if this arena gets built. It's a community full of local businesses, elders, families, kids, and it's really a place that a lot of people have found, to be their home.
The Cultural Unity Week Festival bridges the gap of cultural boundaries by bringing people together from all walks of life in one place.
Temple University's campus here this week is a melting pot of diversity. Right here at the Cultural Fest on Temple University's campus, students are learning about different organizations and different ethnic identities. Reporting for Temple Update, I'm Tiffany Baskerville.